I am an African child by Edu McBride. I am an African child, born with the skin and the color of a chocolate, bright, brilliant, and articulate, strong and bold I am gifted, talented enough to be the best. I am an African child, often the target of piety. My future is not confined to charity. Give me a gift of lifetime. Give me a dream, a door of opportunity, and I will thrive. I am an African child. Do not hide my faults, show me my wrong. I ain't like any other. Teach me to dream, and I will become. I am an African child. I am the son, daughter of the soil, rich in texture and content, full of potential for a better tomorrow. Teach me discipline, teach me character, teach me hard work. Teach me like the stars within me. I am an African child. I can be extraordinary. Call me William Kamkwamba, the inventor. Give me library with books. Give me scrapyards and discarded electronics. Give me broken bicycle. Plus the freedom to be me. And I will build you a windmill. I am an African child. We are the new generations, not afraid to be us. Uniquely gifted, black as talented, shining like the stars we are. We are the children of Africa, making the best of us. Yes, I am an African child.